Hi everyone, how you doing this afternoon? Today we're going to do a just a pour, regular pour. Okay, I'm using today phthalo lacquinine green and cadmium yellow light hue by Basics, and for my white I'm using Artist Loft. And I put some treadmill lubricant, but I just dripped it, took the top off and just dripped it. And I used a little, whatever these are called, and some alcohol, and I put the alcohol in the opaque colors. Okay, so I put it in this aqua color that I made with white and viridian green, or phthalo green, and I put it in my plain white. So I'm going to do a drag pour, so I'm going to go ahead and spread the white on here, and you guys don't need to see me do that. Okay, maybe you do need to see me do this, put the white on, so you can see how I level it out. Okay, so I have my white already mixed with my D.I.Y pouring medium. Okay, so by the way, there's some good news. Sandra Lett let's see, I'm teasing her because she thinks she's the only one with a trowel. I don't usually use this, except for on my abstract paintings. That's when I use it. So I'm going to use the tooth end because I don't have to worry as much about making folds in my paint, because it flows back together because it has some teeth right here. So sometimes I use this comb to spread my paint, and I guess now I'll take out a spatula, or it's actually for masonry work. Okay, and let me tilt it a little bit, give it time to settle down. And so yeah, Sandra Lett and I are going to do we're going to try to do one collab a month, because she also lives in North Carolina, and we're going to see. We're thinking about around June 23rd or so this month. She has to come in town anyway. I live in Wilmington on the coast, and she lives near, kind of near Fayetteville. So let me see if I can get this to touch up. So I'm doing this pour like one of the pours that she does. I should have a mirror over there. Sometimes I put a mirror on the other side so I can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, I have decided to use these colors and pour them in this way. And I put just a few drops of 91% alcohol in the opaque colors, and I also greased my cup. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so that's okay. I'm going to go ahead over here and make there goes the torch. So before I burn that, I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit there. You could speed through this, or because you know which colors I'm going to pour. Damn, I did it. I really did it. Stuck my hand in the so I don't need that much paint because, alright, that's it. Stuck my hand in there twice. Because I'm going to just pour it, and I want a lot of negative space. So this is actually after what they call after Sandra Lett's video. Like when you copy a master's painting, you can copy it and hang it, you know, in your studio or whatever. But you have to say who it's after. You know, you would just... You just say who it's after. So I was leery about this color because I'm afraid what it will do when you mix primaries. So I should have put white in between there. Sandra, you know, she takes time with her pours. She doesn't worry about the length of her videos, and I always worry about the length of my videos. And in doing so, she doesn't worry about the length of the video, that the people might not watch it or whatever. And for that reason, her videos, her paintings end up gorgeous. So you need to check out her channel. And my white is it's too thin. I'll tell you that right now, because it's not even staying on the corners. So, okay, this time, I never do this, but I want to stir once. Never ever do that. Okay. So let's see if I can make this work. So I'm going to try it's pretty. So I'm going to tilt. I'm really going to try her method. She barely tilts. I'm not going to tilt. I have to remember how she does it, you guys. 2-time Sally is on the floor. I love it. I was very apprehensive about putting in the red, because you have to be careful. If you put 3 primaries together and you do a flip cup, you have a real chance of getting mud. Okay, and if you put a lot of white in 3 primary colors, you're gonna get gray. So let's see see if I can get my thing to work. Damn it. All right, so now. Okay guys, I had turned off the camera so that I could think. Oh my God, you guys have to see this edge. I don't know if I want to tilt it. There. This is where Sandra Lett becomes a star. This is where she really shows off her talent. Her last video was 1 hour long. Sometimes she swipes part of it, but I'm afraid. So she would flip right there, or flip right there. I'm gonna try it. There's no way I can learn if I don't. You guys, what if I ruin it? Right size palette knife. It's just beautiful as it is. But I'll never learn. I think I swiped too deep. I don't know how you can improve on this. This is just fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. All right, let's try blowing. I don't know how I can improve on this. And this I don't want to ruin. It's beautiful. My God, this is my best pour ever. Thank you, Sandra. Can't wait to see you in June. We want to start doing pours once a month. Live. And so we're going to be each other's moderators. Every month we're going to be at each other's home pouring. And you know, I'm just going to have to conclude this video right here, right now. Sandra, thank you. You know, it's beautiful. So I tried to copy her, I don't know what, her style. She did this video. Thank you. Okay, Sandra, here it is. We called each other out this morning. We chatted, and I said I'm going to do my own thing and copy a little bit of you, and here it is. So tag, you're it. Love this. So be kind to every kind, and please check out Sandra's channel. I will put the link in the description. And just look at these. It's unbelievable. Oh, you probably can't hear that. Look at these. It's unbelievable, this pour. Who would have thought? I have 300 videos. Okay, I've been doing this for 2 years. This is my most beautiful pour. I usually wash off every single pour that I do for the last 7 months or so. I'm now washing this one off. So kudos to you, Sandra.